Hi and welcome to another little session. Now what we're going to try to do is to look at the graphs, the motion graphs you've been using, and hopefully we can see that they can be joined together to make the story. Some of you might have already done the story from the graphs, so let's see if I can translate and be as good a translator as Obi-Wan here was on the way through. The best idea when we're dealing with graphs is to break them into bits. So whenever we see something like this where it changes direction, we should try to think about what's going on there. So let's start off with this graph. It starts off here. Remember, this corner point is the 0 point. It's 0 time and 0 distance. So it's the start. So from this I can say that the object starts next to me and then moves away, and after 5 seconds it is a distance of 10 meters away from me. Alright, then it changes direction, or the graph changes, and we see that it goes flat. Now we know that this says the object is not moving. So what I would say to this, if we had to describe the graph, was the object is staying 10 meters away from me between 5 and 15 seconds from the start. Alright, so I've broken down to this part. Now the next part has actually got 2 bits in it. There's a little kink here at 20 seconds. Alright, so let's go on with it. So we can say that the object then starts moving away from me at 15 seconds and keeps moving away till 20 seconds, where it changes a bit. Now we know this means it's going to change speed, but let's wait till we do calculations before we do that. And then it continues moving away until it reaches a time of 30 seconds. Finally, our graph shows me that at 30 seconds it starts moving back towards me and reaches me, comes back to distance 0, which is next to me, at 35 seconds. That's not difficult, but take your time and break each section of the graph into those nice little parts so it makes it easy to answer.